everyone. In this video, we'll be learning how to fetch and update records in a form. Let's use a sample application to understand this functionality. The screen we're looking at now is the order form to collect orders from customers. The line items form is being used as a subform in the order form. The subform field name is items. From here, customers can choose multiple products with varying quantities while placing an order. The product name field in the line items form is a lookup from the products form. The products form is the base form to store the product details such as product name, image, price, and available quantity. In an order processing business, when an order is placed, the inventory has to get updated automatically based on the count of products ordered. This helps the business to monitor the inventory levels closely. Manually updating the quantities for each order could be a time-consuming task. Instead, you can automate this process by creating a workflow to automatically subtract the quantities of ordered products from the total number of products available. This is the sample data we have on the products form. Now, let's create the workflow. Go to the editor and create a workflow to run on a form event. Choose the form on which we want to run the workflow. In our case, let's choose the order form. Choose the workflow to run when a record is created or edited. The workflow should be triggered when the form is submitted. We choose this option as we want the workflow to be executed after the customer places the order. Give a name and create the workflow. Click on Add New Action and choose Deluge Script. The Deluge Script Builder will open. Let's define the logic here. The logic is to subtract the quantities of the ordered products from the quantities of the products that are currently available. First, we must create a for each loop to iterate the process whenever a new product is added. To do that, let's use the for each record task. Declare a variable called entry and then select the subform where the order will be placed. Here, items is a subform. Next, we need to define a condition to fetch the record that matches the ID of the selected product in the item subform with the record ID in the products form. Let's use the fetch record task to do this operation. Declare a variable named productinfo equals, choose the products form, and type id equals entry.productName. Here, we have fetched the record from the products form that is associated to the product that was chosen in the subform field. Next, we need to subtract the product quantity selected by the user from the total amount of the products available. To do that, type productinfo.availableQuantity equals productinfo.availableQuantity minus entry.quantity. Here, we update the available quantity by deducting the quantity of the selected product stored in the variable entry from the available quantity. Let's save the code and check how this code works in real time. In the All Products report, there are 30 refrigerators, 20 dishwashers, and 40 air conditioners. Let's place an order for those products and check how the inventory gets updated. As you can see, the quantities of the ordered products are subtracted and the updated quantities of those products are shown in the available quantity field. Similarly, this logic can be used for updating the leaves available for the employees or updating the rooms available for booking and a lot more. That's all for this video. We hope you have learned to fetch and update records within a form. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.